Hello, you guys. Welcome again. My name's Troy, and today I'm going to talk to you about connecting with people. Well, at this moment, I'm working on the airport, so maybe you're looking at this short YouTube movie film, and you're thinking, "Oh yeah, that's the guy who gave me the card." I always share out cards. Cards with my company name and my yeah my website and my number, email address. I'm always sharing all cards because for those who don't know, I work on the airport and I work in a restaurant. So there is in a full service. So there is a very short moment to connect with people. So I'm outgoing. So you don't have to be outgoing, but yeah, I'm outgoing. I like to connect with people. So I always yeah, the reason why I'm connecting with people because I like to see I like to move, to travel, and yeah, that's the reason why I work also at the airport. Yeah, I travel around. I've been to America, different parts in America. I've been Dallas, Texas, Houston, Texas, New York, New Jersey, Ronkonkoma, and yeah, all over the place. And I got this feeling, this kind of when I'm in America, I have this feeling that I'm like fired up, I'm ready to go, And I went out in America and to restaurants and got myself something to eat, and the service was so amazing. I was like, wow. So I kind of like use that also in my restaurant in the Netherlands, which is not common. They have a different way of serving. But my main objective is to have connection with people, and and if you're out there and if you're looking at this and you're thinking, oh yeah, I got a card from this guy, then you should know that I do I give away cards for different reasons. For one reason is of course to in order to do some business with people, which I have done a lot of business because of yeah. Is There's a rule, and if you give out so much cards, then you will do some business. It's just gonna work. But reason why I give out cards is also to connect with people, to show people, listen, I'm working here now. I don't want to spoil your food, but I just want to connect with you on a different level, a different time. When you have time, just get back to me, and then we will talk a little bit about the business. Maybe you like it or not. So always give people the opportunity to to connect with me and either or do some business with me. And where I want to go, where I want to actually aim for is that, you see, connecting with people is so nice. You meet people from all over the place, and sometimes people tell me their story. People invite me at their home. They say, oh, okay, come if you're coming to that country, to Finland or so. Don't worry, I have a place for you to stay. You got no problem. You have to pay nothing. And some people are so generous. So yeah, in that line, I'm thinking, wow, I get to see people's lives through their eyes, through their story, through what they say, and I'm just loving it, So every day for me is like, wow, who am I gonna meet today? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up a website. I'm gonna put some pictures there with, pictures I make with people in different places, because some people just want to make pictures with you, because they're thinking, wow, this guy, you connecting with us in such a level field, There is no, like, if I, there's no difference between us. It doesn't, and that is very important. The reason why for me is that it's important. Like this, I grow my network. I grow people around me. I I train myself to connect with people. Very nice. But at the same time, I train myself also to get certain skills on the internet. And the way how I do the combination is the SFM. That's the link on my video here. They help me out to look at bring it to a next level. Bring it to the next level meaning, how can I utilize this connection? How can I go about not only showing them my own business, but showing them, helping them out, like, man, I'm connecting here with you, but I want to help you out here, of course. Your aim is also to help yourself, because in the process you will earn something, and everybody's looking, is not to be selfish, but is to be taking caring of yourself. If you have in your mind that you're going out there to take care of your family, and in order for other people to take care of their family, then you have a different kind of motivation. So what I want to say is, I want to say hello to you guys who meet me at the Schiphol airport, and who got my cards, and who connected with me, and thank you guys who are already doing business with me, and yeah, all of these people, they see, yeah, it's not a scam. It's not something, it's not a something I say, like, let's go and do it because we're gonna get rich tomorrow. No, it's something that you have to take your time, and learn and grow and communicate, and all these things, all these skills you are learning on the way as you go. So saying that, I want to say is, you guys out there, if you're in a situation like I am, I'm 45 years old, married sometime. If you're married, you're not. But if you're looking for to improve your skills, to know more of what's going on the internet, get connected with me. I will introduce you to some of my mentor, and you will see that when I was sharing my cards, when I was talking about my business, at that time it wasn't really needed. It was needed, yes, but not so much as now, because now you see a lot of people are at home. They cannot go to the job. The airport is actually particularly actually closed down, because so few flights that the restaurant is not open, as we know. And you see now all those cards, and now is a time where you could, like, utilize those cards I've given you guys. So check out my website now, because now you have the time. Now you're at home, or maybe you just part at home and part at the job, but now you have more time to take a look at it, and check out the SFM. Check out my link, whereby I could learn you to get more skills, and navigate the internet in such a way that could benefit you, but also benefit somebody else. So I hope to see you guys someday on my website, or through a mail, and you have a wonderful day. All right, you guys, take care. Goodbye.